This pickup was unexpected and it literally just happened. Like, I accepted defeat on this particular release. I even purchased a consolation prize just because I knew it was going to be nearly impossible for me to acquire this particular sneaker. And all day I've been waiting for this particular boutique to post. So as I was on the couch chilling, about to take a nap to get ready for work later on tonight, watching Back to the Future, Cream finally posted what I was looking for. So I hurried up, threw something on, went around the corner. They didn't have a 12 or a 12 and a half, but they did have a 13, so I went ahead and caught the 13. It should work because they run small, so we'll see what happens. Retail was 130, with tax and everything. 137.80 out the door. As you can see, got the all black KD box, man. KD 4s. This is one of the shoes that I've wanted since 2012, I believe. That's when they originally released. Finally got my hands on them. I haven't even looked inside the box. As soon as I got the shoe, I hurried up and got in the car and came back to the crib so I can shoot this video, man. Moment of truth. Woo! As you can see, man, we had a KD4. ALLSTAR, Galaxy, whatever you want to call it. Man, when I tell you that this particular shoe is one that I absolutely needed to add to my collection, bro. Even then I think that would be like an understatement of how much I really wanted this shoe. Boy, man, shout out to Cream once again. And I'm glad that I am now in close proximity to Cream. So it was, quick trip around the corner, man. We good money. I'm just glad they had at least a 13 in there. Because if I would have pulled up and they wouldn't have any size, I would have been hurt for real. But let's go ahead and get into the review. Yeah, so we got the all silver upper of chrome. Yeah, metallic silver upper. You get those orange hits with the big Nike swoosh on the strap, which is synonymous with the KD4. You also get the orange Nike swoosh on the back, and you get a KD embroidered logo on the heel. I do like the patch on the tongue. You get the KD, I want to say it's a horse, some kind of horse with wings, like Pegasus or something like that, or whatever. There's a little Greek mythology in here. But that's a dope patch. It reminds me like a NASA patch. You do get the orange underlays under the little Cajun. Like I said, this is the first time owning this particular shoe, so all this stuff is definitely new to me. I haven't even seen these on feet in person. And you get a nice little mini Nike swoosh in orange as well. But the main attraction of the shoe, of course, is the outsole. I definitely want to say that these glow in the dark, so I will be testing it out. Barbara Tony, man. Not sure who Barbara is. I don't know if that's his grandma, maybe aunt or something. Not sure. Yeah, Seat Pleasant, which is where he's from. Designed and engineered to the exact specifications of Kevin Durant. Oh, you got work hard on it. And the traction is like a lightning design, which is pretty dope. But I'll definitely find out who Barbara is in the editing process, so I can edit that in there, give her proper credit. So the same thing on this shoe, I believe, except for it says stay focused instead of work harder. But everything else is the same. We got Barbara up there, and designed to specifications of KD. Then you get like a little mini KD logo, which I didn't see at first. But yeah, with that Galaxy print, you get the Galaxy speckles on the midsole, and you also get the Galaxy print right here on, I guess, where the carbon fiber would be. You get a Galaxy insole as well as the sock liner, and behind the tongue you get the same print. And yeah, both shoes have like a different theme or like a different color scheme as far as the print goes, so it doesn't match. Under the strap, no hidden message in this one. Yeah, it just says adaptive fit, so nothing crazy, no hidden details or anything. But yeah, it's a dope shoe. Definitely glad to have these, man. Like, I don't know if the excitement is actually like coming through on the camera, but I'm definitely rushing this review to get it out there just because I wanted to see these. And I wanted the first time for me actually seeing these in hand to be on camera. So y'all get my raw reaction, raw emotions, all that good stuff, man. I believe the strap is 3M as well, but I do some B-roll. So you can, all the 3M hits and anything, you know, any hidden features and details you'll be able to see. Probably won't do it on foot with these, just to keep the video pretty short so I can go ahead and edit and upload it before I go to work tonight. So that's gonna do it for this one. Oh, we got Big Chucky on the back of the shoe as well. So definitely didn't know it was that much detail like in the outsole. But I do B-roll so you get a close up of all that stuff too. Well, yeah, man, what do y'all think about the KD4 All-Star, man? The Galaxy KDs, man. These went crazy back in the day. Like, I remember taking the L on these at midnight when they originally released. Because I'm thinking since it was the cheaper, you know what I'm saying, the cheaper shoe that came out, it was the Kobe, had to be the 8s, right? The Kobe 8s, the LeBron 9s, and then these. I want to say it was the Kobe 8, the LeBron Big Bang, and then these. So I definitely went for these thinking, you know, these would fly on the radar. No, sir. These sold out instantly like the rest of them. And I'm glad to finally be able to get these in 2024, man. This is so crazy to me. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one, man. I'm going to go ahead and try these on and see how they look on foot and give y'all some B-roll and all that good stuff, man. I'll holler at y'all on the next video. I definitely have some videos coming soon thanks to the initial release for these. So yeah, stay on the lookout, man. More videos on the way. Appreciate y'all for watching.